Another proposal in the works is specifically in response to last year's meme stock craze. I believe it would shorten the amount of time it takes to clear trades. How would last year have played out differently had that rule been in place?
So the events around the meme stops, or as you know, GameStop, led to a review by the SEC, and the staff came up with 4 areas we should take a look at. And we have, in 2 of those areas, put out proposals. 2, we've working on some more. So one is what you talked about, is the basic plumbing, shortening how long it takes for money to move and stock to move. It's called settlement period, from 2 days to 1 day. We've also done something around transparency around short selling and made a proposal last week around that as well. Shortening the settlement cycle lowers the risk in the system. As the old saying goes, time is money. Right now, if you do a trade on a Monday, you don't move the money or the stock until Wednesday. You shorten that to Tuesday, less risk. In the middle of that January, the fateful January around the GameStop events, a number of online brokers and brokerage apps said, we can't let retail public access the market. And that's just, that access to the market is so fundamental that part of the issue was this settlement cycle thing, but it's not the only thing. And as I say, we have 4 projects. We've proposed 2. The other 2, looking at really the equity market structure itself and payment for order flow and the dark pools of capital that are flowing without transparency. That's a major project that I'm hoping staff will make recommendations and we'll move forward. And lastly was this thing called gamification, or what we've come to call digital engagement practices.